Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel BK Crochet Art. Today we'll manufacture our own cars. We will make cars of our own choice colors. Best part of these cars is that they do not require petrol and they can go anywhere in the world. Now let's start. I have taken 4 ply wool and my crochet is of 3 mm. Take the yarn over the front finger and hold it tightly with the thumb and mid finger. First of all, we'll make a slip knot. Slip knot we have made. Now we'll make 20 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and make like this 20 chains. 20 chains we have made. Now we'll make first row with single crochet stitch. For this we make 1 chain extra. After skipping first chain, make 20 single crochets. 1 single crochet we have made. Now second single crochet. Third one. Fifth. And like this make 20 single crochet total. That means 1 single crochet in every chain. First row we'll complete like this. "20 single crochets we have made, that means we have completed first row. Now we'll make second row. We'll bring the extra thread upwards. Now again the main thread, but we'll take the extra thread along. For turning, 1 chain extra, 1 chain, and now we'll make single crochets, 1 single crochet in each chain. That means 20 single crochets will make in this row also. Total 6 rounds we have to make of this base color. Out of this 5 rows will be made like this 20 single crochets. That is 1 single crochet over single chain. It is very easy and simple to make. Also it is very easy to remember. We'll make total 5 rows like this. Single crochet in each chain, that means 20 total single crochets. We'll make 5 rows like this. It will become like a rectangle. Now in the 6th row, we'll give shape to the car. We'll decrease 1 single crochet in corner. So we'll not make 1 extra chain, we'll skip first chain and then make single crochet. In this row, we'll decrease 1 single crochet at the other corner also. So we'll make 18 single crochets in this row. Now two chains remain and we have to make only one single crochet. So we'll skip the first one and make single crochet in the next chain. Our this row is also complete. We'll leave the thread here only. This decrease gives a slight shape to the car, slight round at the upper corners. So total 6 rows we have made of this color. Now we'll take light thread for the glasses. We will leave 2 chains. 2 chains we'll leave and makes single crochets 14. 14 single crochets is so because we have to leave 2 single crochets at the other side also. Total we had 20 stitches. 2 we had decreased at the 6th round and 4 will decrease in this row. 2 at both sides, so total will make 14 single crochets. We'll take the extra thread along so that our motif does not get dirty. It is all made up of single crochet, so beginners can also well try. 6 rows we have made of the base color and 6 rows will be made of this light color. So total 12 rows will be made. We'll give shape of the upper part of the car. So we'll decrease 1 single crochet at both the corners at the alternate rows. That means 2nd, 4th and 6th we will decrease. 14 single crochets we have made. Now only 2 stitches remain. We have to leave these 2 stitches. Now we'll take this next round. We have to decrease another single crochet at both the corners, so we'll not knit 1 extra chain. We'll skip first chain and make single crochet in the next chain. Now we'll make 12 single crochets. 1 we have decreased at the one side and 1 will decrease at the other side also. Twelve single crochets we have made. Now in the next round we'll not decrease. We'll make simple single crochet in the next round. That means in one round we are not decreasing and in one row we are decreasing single crochet at both sides. We'll make 6 total rows. So we'll decrease 1 single crochet at both the corners in 3 rows and 3 rows will be simply single crocheted. We'll decrease 1 single crochet at both the corners in 2nd, 4th and 6th row. We'll make like this. Now it is the 4th row. We'll decrease 1 single crochet at both the corners. So we'll knit here 10 single crochets. For last single crochet, we'll skip the first one and knit the next one. Next row is simple, single crochet at every chain. When we have to decrease, then we will not make 1 extra chain. And when we have not to decrease, then we'll make one extra chain. Now it is our sixth round and final round. We'll decrease one single crochet at both the corners. Total 6 rounds of base color and 6 rounds of light color we have made. Make one extra chain and pull it tight. Cut the thread. Now take the extra thread with needle or crochet. Now we'll make edging of the car. Slip stitch we'll make at the fag ends of the car. I hope you will like the video. Please do share it. Please also explore and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. And one thing more, suggestions and criticisms are both welcomed at the comment section. Both your suggestions and criticisms are much valued for us. We'll continue the thread. We'll bring the thread in the center. And we can make chains in the crochet itself or with a needle. It's your own choice. Body of the car is ready. Now it requires two wheels. We'll attach two buttons for wheels. I am eager to see you with another beautiful video. Have a good day and thank you for watching.